I do, you need to sew stretchy fabric on a different stitch on your machine. So I'm going to show you what happens if you sew it on a straight stitch. So this is just normal straight stitch sitting on my machine. So I'm not going to reverse because this is just an experiment. I'm going to show you what happens. So imagine this is my lovely t-shirt that I've made, and then I put it on and it all rips. And if you look at it from the side, it's coming apart and there's already a huge hole in the seam. So on your machine, if you look at the manual, there will be stretch stitches. So on my machine, 3 is a stretch stitch and 9 is a stretch stitch. So I'm going to go with 3. There you can see my stretch stitch, and if I pull it this time, what happens? Nothing. Let's check it from the side. There's no holes in that. That'll be a really, really strong seam for our t-shirt.